Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Apecoin today. Should we buy it or not? I mean, look at the chart right now, and you all can see that I was looking for Apecoin to go up, and the market is not giving me that right now. So should we still be buying this cryptocurrency, or should we wait? I'm going to talk about that today on this video. So to everyone, welcome to my channel. You guys can already see it. I do price predictions. Yeah, I want to show you all that you can actually predict prices and win in the cryptocurrency space. You don't have to use technical indicators. You don't have to make this thing complex. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to listen to 18,000 individuals trying to pump Apecoin. All you have to do is simply look at what they're doing. And the price chart is literally that. It's the record of what everyone is trying to do regarding the buying and the selling. We can see what the majority of the transactions have been in Apecoin since it was listed on this Binance exchange. Most of the transactions that has occurred in the market in Apecoin has been selling. Why do I say that? Well, look at the chart. It's going down. There's no one really interested in pumping Apecoin, or at least lifting the price. And if that's the case, then we got to keep it real. We got to continue to play the weakness then. So everyone who is new, welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. If y'all appreciate the content, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. You will not get any FUD, any fear, any FOMO coming through on this channel. I don't do that. I come in and pay attention to what people are trying to do when it comes to making money. I mean, you got to think about it. When people deploy money to these cryptos, they're not doing it just to play around, right? They're not doing it just to throw something out and hopefully that it comes back with a win. No, they're actually expecting that their original analysis is going to pan out. Like, people is here to make money, not lose it. So everything that we see here on this price chart that you're looking at right now is literally people ideas of where they thought price was going to go. So why can we be deceived? We cannot be deceived when we strictly look at the price. Now, let me get back to what happened in my last video for Apecoin. You guys can see it. It was on May the 16th. And when I see price not acting the way that I expected it to go, I'm not one of those hope and wish type individuals. The market is going down for a reason. And if it's going to continue to go down, I need to cut the play. I need to let it go. You guys can see that Apecoin following May the 16th, it did go up, but you guys can see where it got hung up at, right? You guys can see where price got hung up in Apecoin. And it got hung up around $9.28. Cool. I get it. There wasn't enough energy to push price above that level. And then I also told you all on May the 16th that we needed to see price hold that line right here. And it did it for a couple of days, right? So let me give you all the play-by-play on how you can actually read the market. So we was looking for price in Apecoin to go up, right? All right, cool. It did one day. Okay, you only had one day for us to bag some profitability into the market in Apecoin. However, I identified the support area around $7.65, right? You guys can see on these days right here that the buyers attempted, right? The only thing that we can have, that we can wish for, is to see buyers trying to hold price. And they did it here, the 18th of May, 19th, 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, as well as the 23rd. They attempted to hold the line. So as long as the market was holding that line, we were going to maintain that price was going to go up. But then something happened the next day, May the 24th. Price broke the line. Once you saw that happen, that was your clue, your indication to tell you that buyers are no longer willing to hold price above $7.60. So this day was the day that you were supposed to cut this play and say, all right, cool. Market don't want to go up. The buyers did not show up like they did the last 6-7 days. That would have minimized your loss from 16% to where we're at right now, 23. Now, if we're still looking for price to go down, then yeah, we need to take that 23% loss, 24% loss and say, all right, let me take it. I'll take the hit on this one. But if I know of a high percentage chance that price is going to continue to fall, then this is a good deal. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of this because I want to show you all something too. All right, so now We got it. Price restriction. Now it's going to be here at $7.50. We got it. So I'm just going to hold that line there, because as we see Apecoin try to attempt to come back up to this price level, if we still see price get rejected, we know that the market is still going to go down. Okay. So let's look at this on the monthly chart. Okay. So you guys can see that over the last couple of months, we don't have that much price action really here on the chart, but we can see that price is weak. Okay. From a monthly perspective, 5 weeks. This is what I'm noticing in terms of massive weakness. What happened over the last 5 weeks? Look at that. This tells me that I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Apecoin come all the way down to this beginning trade right here around $1.10. I wouldn't even be surprised, because this 5 weekly price bar is so wide. That spread is so wide. We got to consider that we can actually bleed into price continuing to fall at least half of that spread. Okay. 3 weeks. This is massively weak too. Look at that on 2 weeks. I'm not showing you anything that I wouldn't show someone else to be real. This chart is showing us still weakness. The weekly chart. We're in the downtrend. And right here on the weekly chart, this week right here was our opportunity to see buyers come through again. So let's say in the next day and 9 hours, the market on this current weekly price bar comes all the way back up and trades above $7.06. Then yeah, it's a buy, right? We will be expecting the price to go up in Apecoin. But seeing how we're trading below that, we still have to consider all these other weekly price bars that the market in Apecoin is still trending down. All right. So now let's try to break this down to see where is the next level for us to see market buyers, right? So I want us to pay attention to this area right here, to when the market in Apecoin first came through and started trading on Binance. So let's break this down to a minute basis. Okay, let's look at this chart on a minute basis in Apecoin, because the bad part is that we're not seeing a big area of support in that 130-minute bar. So I would say that what we have right now in Apecoin is a free fall. Now, what's a free fall? Well, it simply means that it is going to be hard for us to determine how low price can go. Okay, it's going to be hard. The market actually don't even go that far back in 5 minutes. All right, so seeing that we are in free fall, I really want us to break down this 30-minute price bar right here, so I can see how minimized the support and the demand came through within that 30 minutes, and I don't see that. So let me go back, talk about what we have here, and we're going to continue to play the weakness. Okay, now basically what I'm saying is that I don't know how low price is going to go. Now when I look at that on the 5 weekly chart, I told you earlier, we can actually see the market go all the way back down to $1 in Apecoin, right? So don't be surprised if the market in Apecoin actually falls below that point. But until we see market break back up above $7.65, guess what? We're going to anticipate the price in Apecoin to continue to fall. Okay, I might bring it up just a tad higher to like 8. Now my attention therefore it's going to be focused right here. Okay, that's going to be my first price target for me to see price in Apecoin fall down to. Okay, right here on the lows of these two daily price bars. That gives us around 17% movement to the downside again. I'll take the profitability once the market hits that level. Like, this is not the opportunity to be greedy. We understand that the last time that we came down here, the market flipped. It stopped going down back in the 11th and 12th of May. So again, and we see that same opportunity happen again, that tells us that we need to run and take the bag of 18%. $5.25 is like my first price target. Okay. Outside of that, anywhere could be support. Okay, anywhere. So let me extend this out towards mid-June. And I'm just going to lower it down to 450 and just see what happens with that. Just see how low it goes. Okay. So this is what a market looks like when it's in free fall. You don't have a basis to where buyers have already shown themselves like they did here. Buyers shown themselves right here. So yeah, that will be our first price target, 550. Next area is going to be around 450. But don't forget, it's free fall. All right, questions, comments, let me know. As always, go ahead and drop me your price target, price prediction with a comment below and show everyone where you think market is about to go. And we'll see which one is right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.